Sleep tight.
Bye-bye. We love you.
You want to see that again? Please, Mommy?
Good night, Madison. Good night, Madison. Good night, Madison. We'll see you very soon. Good night, honey.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you
Sleep
soon.
tight.
Bye-bye. We love you.
More. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa and Bob and Linda? They say good night. Say I love you. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Love you.